Hello, sweethearts. Welcome to this 10-minute morning yoga to feel positive all day. Walk your hands over to the left side of your mat. Exhale, round up through your back, and inhale, arch through your back. Reflect on all the positive things that today has to offer. Letting go of the tension of the night. And walk over to the right side of your mat. And exhale, round up through your back. And inhale, arch through your back. Cut. I wake up grateful for my precious life and another 24 hours. Come back to the center, and you're going to sink back down onto your heels into child's pose. And you can take your hands down by your low back and rub your kidneys. These are a deep well of vitality that you can access in the mornings. Great. And then come back up onto all fours. In all fours, you're going to place your hand on your shoulder. And this is called rooster spreads its wings. So you're going to open up your wing in a big circle. Circle your elbow around. Nice release for your shoulder, your chest, your spine. Releasing the tension for the night. Feeling grateful that we can move our bodies in the morning. Inhale up. Exhale down. And go the other way. And then the other side, take your right hand on your right shoulder and you're going to inhale. Rooster spreads its wings. Feeling so good to move our bodies. Pressing into the hand that's on the floor to help you really open up. And then the other way, circle the elbow the other way. Coming back onto our heels in child's pose. Again, rubbing on your kidneys. Our kidneys are that vessel of vitality in the morning. Then you're going to roll up and you're going to make your way all the way down onto your stomach. Rock your hips from side to side.
Okay, continue with class.
Rock your pelvis from side to side. Tuck your right toes under, lift through your right heel, reach through your right heel, lengthen your right knee. Tuck your left toes under, lift your left knee, reach through your left heel, lengthening your low back. And then walk your elbows up underneath your shoulders. You're going to roll your shoulders back and down, tucking the base of the shoulder blades down and into your back jean pockets. Each day is a blessing and a gift. Okay, go ahead and lower yourself down. You're going to rest your hands on your forehead on your hands. And you're going to just tuck your tailbone under and reach long through your right leg until it lifts off the ground. And then do the same for your left leg. Alternating legs. So what an incredible experience it is that we get to live this life. And then take your arms and legs so that you make a big X with your body. And you're going to reach your right leg long and then cross it over your body, releasing the tension from the night. Come back to the center. Do the same thing on the other side. Reach the left leg long, cross it over the body. All the things that we get to do each day. Come back to center. You're going to push yourself up onto all fours. And you're going to walk your left leg through for lunge pose. So lean into lunge pose, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do with your hands. You're going to push your right hand forward and then pull it back. And you'll do the opposite with your left hand. So you go push out all the tension from the night, and you'll draw in positive energy for all day. So exhale and inhale. And then we'll switch sides. So right leg comes forward, lean forward into your lunge pose so you feel the opening on the left hip. And let's set that up again. So your left arm presses forward and then pulls back. And your opposite hand does the same thing. So at opposite intervals. So exhale, press forward. Inhale, pull back. Bringing out the tension from the night. Drawing in positive energy for all day. Exhale. Inhale. And then you're going to come to seated with your knees bent and your feet flat in front of you. You're going to lift up tall through your spine. Bring your hands in front of you. Inhale here. Roll your shoulders back and down. Stay tall through your breastbone. Exhale, lean back. Bring your arms out to the side. Breathe in. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, center. Rotate. Inhale, center. Draw up through the pelvic floor. Draw back through your navel. So even the challenges that we meet through our day have even a little bit of positive in them, opportunities for growth, opportunities for learning. And then come forward, bring your soles of your feet together, fold forward, take your hands behind you. Give those kidneys a rub again. Access that deep vessel of vitality. And then you're going to come back up to seated. Inhale here. Again, roll those shoulders back and down. Stay long through the spine. Breathe in. Exhale, lean back. Take your arms out. Rotate. And bring your arms forward, come up, lean back on your hands, take your feet wide, and sway your knees from side to side. Okay, come to sit cross-legged. You can sit in a chair for this as well. You can sit up on a block or a meditation cushion. We're going to do fireworks here. So the way that this works is you bring your hands up the center, creating that Kundalini energy rising, and then you exhale down and around. So inhale up, exhale down and around. Great to create positive energy all day. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this into a twist. So you're going to inhale up, exhale into a twist. Inhale up in the center, exhale into a twist. So each day you wake up, you get to move a little bit closer to your goals. And then we're going to do another one. You're going to put your thumbs up, lift your heart to the sky, and then take your heart to the earth. Thumbs go behind you. Heart to sky, heart to earth. So how amazing it is that you get to wake up each day and do all the things that you do each day. Heart to sky, heart to earth. And then place your hands on your knees, take your left ear to your left shoulder, and rotate your head. Bring your head center, lower your right ear to your right shoulder, and then rotate your head. I am open to give and receive love today. Okay, so you're going to inhale, come your hands overhead, and exhale, draw your hands down. So we're drawing down the heavens. You want to draw in all that positive energy for the day. Clearing the mind, clearing the throat, clearing the heart, drawing in the positive energy through your head, your throat, your heart, drawing the positive energy for all day.